All right, now we're doing W3Schools HTML tutorial, HTML text formatting. All right, so HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning. For example, this text is bold, this is italic, and this is a subscript, this is a superscript. So let's check it out for ourselves. So if we put it in a B element, it's bold, an I element, it's italic, and this sub or sup is going to be superscript or subscript. Pardon me, subscript or superscript. All right, so let's go back over here. And now we've got this HTML formatting elements. So formatting elements were designed to display special types of text. And we've got all these like bold text and all this stuff. And we're going to go through all those right now. So we've got HTML-B and strong elements. So the HTML-B element defines bold text without any extra importance, all right? So this text is bold right here. Let's go look at it. And yes, this is normal. This is the bold right here. And then we've got this HTML strong element, which defines text with a strong importance. The content inside is typically displayed in bold. So it's basically just bold again, but strong. I don't know why they do it like that. But yeah, so look, it's this here and this here, pretty much the same thing. All right, so now we've got HTML-I and M elements. So the HTML-I element defines a part of text in an alternate voice or mood. The content inside is typically displayed in italic, so I is just italic. The I tag is often used to indicate a technical term, a phrase from another language, a thought, a ship name, and then I guess all kinds of other random usage is. So right here, for an example, we're going to do the italic right here, and here's normal, all right? So now we've got this M tag, this M element, which defines emphasized text. The content inside is typically displayed in italic. And a screen reader will pronounce the words in M with an emphasis using verbal stress. So the screen reader is going to say it differently, I guess. So let's try it ourselves. And it's basically just italic when there's no screen reader doing its thing. Okay, so now we've got this HTML small element. So the HTML small element defines smaller text. Believe it or not, just going to make it a little bit smaller. There we go. We've got this mark element, which defines text that should be marked or highlighted. So let's try it. And this one's just a little bit bolder than this stuff right here. So let's come over here, and the del element defines text that has been deleted from a document. Browsers will usually strike a line through deleted text. Okay, so my favorite color is blue. Oh no, it's actually red. So we've got a little tiny line right in the middle of blue right here. All right, so now we've got this ins element. So the ins element defines text that has been inserted into a document. Browsers usually underline inserted text. So instead of the blue with the cross through it, it's going to be red with a line under it, just like that. All right. So now we've got this sub element, which defines subscript text, and subscript text appears half a character below the normal line and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Subscript text can be used for chemical formulas like H2O. So here's subscripted text right here. All right, and then the same for superscripted, half a character above, sometimes rendered in smaller font, and can be used for footnotes like www and then the brackets and one right here. All right, and so we've got the superscripted text right here. All right, so now let's do the exercises. All right, WWF's mission is to stop the John Cena's, no, I'm kidding. Add extra importance to the word degradation in the paragraph below. Extra importance. So bold, I guess. Strong because it's a much bigger space that we got to put this in. So strong like that, just like that, and then we're going to do /strong. I got to do this. I got to have a real weird typing position to record these videos, so it's taking me a minute. Sorry about that. Just saying. All right. So we're going to emphasize the word metropolitan in the text below. So emphasize it, I guess, with bold. No, with italic. Let's do it with italic. So M. Yes, that was what it was. And then /M. All right. So let's submit it. Looks good. All right. Now we're going to highlight the word fun in the text below. I forgot how to do that. Highlight. I forgot. Let's go look. Delete, mark. That's what it was. So let's come back over here and do mark. And then let's do close mark. All right. And let's submit it. Looks good. And then we're going to apply subscript formatting to the number 2. Okay, that's easy. All right, sub like this, and then /sub like that. All right, let's check it. Looks good. All right, so we're going to add a line through strikeout. So that's the delete. So we'll do del like that, and then we'll do /del like that. Let's check it. Looks good. All right. So now we're on to HTML quotations. So we'll do that in the next video. Let's come all the way back down here. So we've got all these HTML text formatting elements. If you want to, you can come check all these out. Each one of them's got its own little page. And we've also got the complete list of all available HTML tags right here. All right. So now we're going to go to the next one, which is HTML quotation and citation elements. And we'll see you next time.